There we go, tune complete. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So if you guys already know, if the tune's already changed, we're on our Mexico tune and we're ready to have some fun. As you guys go ahead and see by the title of the video, it should be a good one. But again, we have to travel, so let's go ahead and get on the freeway and get there. And I guess I'll pick up the camera when we get there. So, bro.
That's badass, bro.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So here we have a BMR Panahan bar that we're gonna go ahead and put on the back later. And here we have the Mickey Thompson 305 3520s for the rear. So we're gonna go ahead and probably put those on later though, because the tread depth on the ones I have right now are still about 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and burn them out before we actually go ahead and throw new tires on. But we will be getting runs in with a stock 2014 Shelby GT500 and possibly a 2016 vortech supercharged full bolt-on 91. So here we have the 2014 Shelby GT500 that we're gonna go ahead and go up against. You can go ahead and see very, very similar, different hood, but different wheels. So we have mine over here, which is a 2011. So it should be a really close one in all honesty. With the 2.5 Pulley and 100 octane with the JLT intake, it should be making very, very close to the similar power to this. I believe this one's still about 30 more. We got Danny 2-valve over there. So this one's completely stock with tire. And then we have the 2016 vortech supercharged Mustang over there. You guys actually might recognize that one. That's actually the one we raced a couple of times already when he was full bolt-on E85. Definitely go ahead and check out that video if you guys haven't. And it should be a really good one. It is super, super, super hot today. So I don't know, honestly, everyone's gonna be heat soaked today since we're all boosted. Damn, bro, not bad. Fuck. Yeah, as soon as you started pulling, I'm like, oh, I already know. Because I saw you guys go at it, I'm like, is it even worth it? It's pretty good though. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, definitely took some L's right now. The only one I really thought I was going to have a chance was with the 14 Shelby The S550, I just gave him that run just because he basically, I beat him before and he wanted to redeem himself. So definitely did today. That thing is super, super fast with that vortech supercharger on it. So right now we're just heading back. You guys can go ahead and see my temp. I don't know if you can focus it on here, but I reached 220. And the thing with that, even the GoPros all turned off due to heat and the phone. So basically it's so damn hot right now that everything's turning off. And honestly, the only thing that didn't turn off right now is the car. So let's hope that doesn't happen right now. Damn, this thing is not focusing. Good runs overall. Definitely took some L's, like I said, but luckily we made it. We're gonna make it back safe. Hopefully, we're only a couple blocks away, so we'll go ahead and see what happens. So I'm back to being the slowest. No.
You didn't even get a 40. Imagine.
Oh shit, dude.
Your car's fast. We
Bro.
did something right. I should have left the wing on, bro.
So we're just gonna go ahead and actually head out and eat. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Without further ado, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.